Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Aditya Prajapati. Today I am helping my dad and mom to get the piece sorted. Get the piece sorted means matar chhunwane mein madad karna. So I am making this video so that I can help you. Okay. So guys, you can learn English while doing any kinds of work. For example, I am doing this. So I am just speaking about this. If you are doing any kinds of other work like cooking work, so you can speak, you can learn new kinds of vocabulary that are used while cooking. Auntie is cooking the food, my auntie is doing this. So these kinds of small phrases you guys have to use in your daily life, because this is how I also have learned this language by myself by using YouTube. When I was beginner, I also used to speak. I just had to use the phrases that I had learned before. So I just want to tell you that you guys have to learn phrases. After that, you have to use those phrases in your daily life, in your day-to-day life. Why am I saying this? Because if you will use the phrases in your daily life, those are usable in your life, and if these are usable in your life, so you can learn English easily without getting afraid, being being bored. You can learn easily without having any kinds of external disturbances, because when you are using those phrases in your daily life, you are just enjoying the process. And this is what I always tell in my every video, that you just have to be in the process, you just have to indulge yourself in this English speaking environment. In other words, I'm just saying to you that immerse yourself in English speaking environment, come what may. By all means, whatever the work you guys are doing, whatever the thing you guys are doing, whatever you are doing, you just have to speak in English language. Like, there is a watch in front of me, I just have to speak about watch, and it's 9:30 a.m. and I'm getting late. I just have to go to school because it has been 9:30. I had to go 9 a.m. but I am getting late, so I just have to hurry. I just have to prepare myself for going to college. So this is how I just formed the story, and after that I just told you. So I have used so many sentences in this story. I just had to speak about watch, but I spoke about so many things. So this is how I am telling you that you guys can learn English without getting afraid, without being bored easily. And this is the easy process to learn. You don't need to practice with others. You just have to be aware about yourself, that you can practice by yourself at home, by doing the things that you are doing, that you already are doing. You just have to speak. So from today, will you speak or not? Please tell me, will you speak? So please comment on my video that I will definitely speak. From today, whatever the task I am doing, I will speak. And believe me guys, when I started learning this language, I also used to speak a lot. Whatever the things I used to do, like I used to play the marbles, यानी कि मैं कंचे खेला करता था, तो I used to speak only in English language with my friends. At that moment, at that time, I was not able to speak at all, but I used to speak because I had to learn this language. It's not a big deal to speak, but you just have to set one thing in your mind, that you have to learn. English is going to be very important for me, so I just have to learn this language. There should not be anyone who can stop me to learn this language. There should not be anyone to interrupt me, I cannot let them anyone to stop learning this language. So this is how I learned this language at home while doing any kinds of work. If I used to go outside, I used to talk in English language. So as much as you are able to speak, you just have to speak. Because for learning a new language, you will have to speak. There is no other way. There is no shortcut. There is no shortcut if you are looking for a shortcut. So please, this language, you will not be able to learn this language. Sorry for that, but this is the truth. This is the reality. You will not be able to speak good English. It will take a lot of time, and you will realize that I could not learn this language. I have given a lot of time, but I could not learn a single sentence. Why am I doing this? Why am I not able to learn this language? Why I am unable to learn this language? So I'm just saying you just have to practice. You will have to practice. There is no other way. And I already have told that we already are understanding English, but we cannot speak because we did not practice of speaking. We are born, and after that, from first class to 12th class, we are taught English as a subject. We were reading, we were listening, we were writing in English language. But only because of this reason we are understanding, we are able to understand little bit, but we are unable to speak because we did not practice of speaking. There is no one in our surrounding who can speak English very good, who can understand. So we did not aware, we are not able to be familiar with this language. We were not able to be familiar with this language. Only because of this reason we cannot speak, but we can understand. So for being familiar with this language, I'm just saying you just have to practice every day. Practice come what may, from morning to night, whatever the things you are doing, you just have to do with English language. Whether you are taking a bath, whether you are reading book, whether you are going anywhere, whether you are playing anything, whether you are doing any work, you just have to get yourself in English speaking environment, in English environment. On the results will be insane, and you will be amazed by the results. This is, I mean, whatever the things I have told in this video are practical things. You will learn. There is no one who can stop you to learn this language. There is no one who can stop you to speak very good English. So if you found this video helpful, you just have to like and subscribe to my channel and comment on my video. How was it? Was it helpful or not? If it was helpful, so you just have to comment in a good manner. If it was not, you just have to comment badly. But you have to comment. I will improve for you. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another very specific video. Bye.